Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing garlic canned corn. So what you're going to need is a 15 ounce can of corn. You're going to want to drain about half the liquid off of this for this recipe, just about half. Okay, you want a tablespoon of butter. You want a teaspoon of minced garlic. It's one clove of it, and you want a teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. You want a half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter of a teaspoon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, ground pepper. So, all right, well, let's get this going and see how it all turns out. See you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, this is real easy. I drained half the liquid off of this, so I'm gonna put that in there. And well, yes, all right, there we go. Now we're gonna put in the garlic and the butter and the flakes. We're going to give that a good stir and let the butter melt. So we're just going to get it all good mixed in here, and we'll go ahead and we'll put in our half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of pepper to get that good mixed in there. We got the heat already going on this, so we can get it melted. We'll be doing good. So let's get it going up to get it warmed up here. I'm gonna let it warm up here. Up to a boil here, just to mixed in here. There we go. Once the butter melts, we get it into a boil. We'll turn it down to a simmer, and then it will simmer for about 7 minutes. We'll leave it on a simmer until the liquid's almost gone. And well, that'll be it. We'll give it a try and see how it all turns out. So there we go. Alright, so it's getting up there. Alright guys, there we go. It's on a boil now, so I'm going to give it one last little stir here. So we got it up to a boil. Yeah, there we go. Now, let me turn this to a simmer. Alright. I'll let this simmer for about 7 minutes or so. Yeah. 5 to 7 minutes of simmering, and then it should be done. I'm gonna wait till the liquid's almost gone. That's when we know that it's ready. Okay guys, well I'll see you in about 5 to 7 minutes on this, and then we'll be ready to give it a taste. Okay guys, I'll let it simmer for about 7 minutes. There's just a little bit of liquid left in there, but that'll be alright. So we're gonna just take this and we're gonna just dump it in the bowl here. This smells so good. Let's give it a little bit of a good little stir there. Okay. And over here. Alright, as you can see, there's the corn. Now let's give this a little try and see how it tastes. Again, this is easy garlic canned corn. So here we go. This is good. A good butter and garlic taste to it. Not too bad on the salt and pepper either. It's got a little bit of taste of it. Okay guys, this is kind of an easy garlic canned corn. So if you got a can of corn, suppose you a little bit of garlic, butter, salt and pepper, a little bit of parsley in there, and you got yourself a nice little side dish for whatever you're having. And I'm pretty sure this would even make a good holiday side as well. So okay guys, if you would like to please leave a comment if you tried this recipe or have something similar. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to have one out on Saturday, and I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. Well guys, I'm gonna head on out of here, and I'll see you on the next video. You guys enjoy the day the Lord's given you. I'm gonna eat a little bit of this and enjoy my evening. Oh, I just got such good flavor.